Okay, so there's no real trick to filleting a catfish, and this is just the way that I was taught to do it a long time ago. So if you look down here at the catfish, up here towards the head, they have this gill plate, and you can see they're real bony. And the gill plate comes right here and comes right around. You see that bone there? So the meat that you want to concentrate on is up here towards the backbone, and it comes around right along the ribs, and you can see the ribs right there, and then it comes around, and then as it comes down here to this lower dorsal fin, all of this is really good meat. So what you want to capture is you want to come in through here, make your initial cut through, staying along the top, and try not to penetrate below this white part here. And then when you come across, you want to stay right along that backbone, hugging where those ribs are, coming down, bringing it down here to the dorsal fin, again staying up here towards the spine, coming all the way down here. Then you flip it, and then you want to stay close by the skin and fillet that right on out. So we're going to go ahead and give that a try here. So right up here on the gill plate, and they're meaty right up on top here. So you really want to take your time to try to get that meat going. They have this bone right up top here that you need to get around. Come on. When you get right down here to about the end, you want to leave yourself a good inch or so, and you want to be able to bring the fillet right back across the top here, and that's your primary meat. And then you want to take two fingers and kind of hold it right into the skin, cut down towards the skin at a 45, and then you just want to ride that skin right through, keeping it tight. So you need a good, flexible, strong fillet knife here. And as you do it, you just take it nice and easy and apply a little bit of pressure as you go, holding it downward at the same time. And that's your fillet right there. And if you do it the best that you can, you should end up with a clean piece of skin here.
If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Another way that you guys can really help us is to share this video on all of your social media platforms. But don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.